Show the camera, buddy.
Oh.
Why is it big?
Because you are a good boy,
Yeah.
see?
You can put it in Excavator.
Can I help you? Yeah, there's so many there.
Oh, Peppo, boy, give it to... Oh, for Tete!
Yeah, give it to her, yeah. She didn't open it yet.
Try to open it.
Wow.
Hold on.
Wow. Look at that one.
Hey guys, it's Christmas Day. It's a beautiful day and Zachary's gonna try out his new toys. And I think we're gonna load up the truck with the excavator and then gonna see where we're gonna dump it. So Bruder, that's a brand. They got a big range of construction vehicles. They're all very good from the quality. A new Bruder excavator from the German company Bruder. And Zachary's going to try that one out now. You like your new excavator, buddy?
Yeah. I can take it outdoors. Look, I got a door to put out indoors. Look! We made up. Soda. Off soda.
And I really like those Bruder toys. They look so realistic. Can we put a man in there now?
Yeah.
Nice.
Quoted.
So now we get an operator. I actually had a bit of a go by myself on this excavator. It's really easy to handle. You only got one handle up there where you can do all your movements with from the boom, and it yeah, swings around like a normal excavator. But what I noticed here is that it's probably way more fun in the sand to play, because the soil here is a little bit harder and it takes a lot of force to get a scoop out of it. So yeah, that's the next project, building sand pit. Yeah. Yeah, that's what I mean. You got only one handle. You do the whole scoop with it. Okay. Think you never get old for this? I really like those toys. Maybe I'm gonna try to load it up. Or tipper here. Or truck.
I don't been here.
Yeah, buddy, that's alright. Are you making a road?
Yeah. Put an old excavator there.
Yeah, looks very good.
Yeah. Put in here. Put here. Daddy, put in here.
Okay. I'll put it here first and then I'm going to dump it there, okay? There's a truck. That's it, buddy. And now put the handle, yeah, at the front. Yes, and lift it up. Yeah, like this. Perfect. And then put the handle at the front and lift it up. Yeah, dump it there, that's alright. I think, buddy,
Yeah.
you have an egg.
Oh, chicken that way. Ah.
Hmm.
No chicken. No chicken.
Good job, show me the egg.
There.
Oh yeah, it's a nice big egg.
You can do that one.
Accurate.
Subscribe, sport, and venture. What's the story?
See you next time.